I've been thinking that you've been wasting my time on your whiskey and wine, but I can't get you out of my mind. And I wonder if it's been understood, it's gonna do us no good if we stay on the track that we're on. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna leave you now. I'd say goodbye, but I don't know how. What can I do? What can I do? Still loving you. Oh, hey, I'm gonna leave you now. I'd say goodbye, but I don't know how. What can I do? What can I do? Still loving you. Teaser, baby, that's what you are. You're not gonna get very far, 'cause I'm pushing you out of my life. Out of my life. You can manage. I know you've got lots of friends, and they've got money to spend, and you can get them to spend some on you. Spend it on you. Oh, hey, I'm gonna leave you now. I'd say goodbye, but I don't know how. What can I do? What can I do? Still loving you. Oh, hey, I'm gonna leave you now. I'd say goodbye, but I don't know how. What can I do? What can I do? Still loving you.